everyone, how are you all? So I hope all of you are doing good, all are safe, and welcome to all of you on this YouTube channel of Y Community. So in this today's video, we are going to see the trick for the cube and dices, and yes, one previous year asked question, and we will solve the trick. We'll understand how to solve this question, what is the trick for that question, and based on that all other questions which we can expect in the exam. So simply we will understand one concept today and we will solve the question based on that concept. Okay, that will be depend on the cube and dices, as there were one question in the previous year paper, the March 2024 COQP paper number 12. They had asked one question from this topic. Okay, so before starting, if you are new to this channel and you haven't subscribed it, then subscribe the channel so that you will get all the videos, you will get this series of important questions, you will get like this type of the different topics and their tricks plus their questions. And even if you have any other questions, how to start preparation, how to do the revision, how to practice, how to give the mock test, how to increase the score, number of questions are there. So you will get the solution for all of it here itself. And if you have any doubt, if you have any questions, you can ask in the comment box. Okay, so let's start. Now we will directly jump on the tricks. So see exactly what kind of question is this. So suppose there is a one cube and this cube, like you can see here, it is a cube. So suppose any cube is there and that cube is, this is your 3D cube, right? And that cube has been painted in a 3 color. Those 3 color can be anything. Like here they are saying that those are painted in the red, blue and yellow on the pair of opposite faces and divided into the X part. Suppose this was the cube, not what I have done. These are the colored, right? You can see this is the one side, one face has been colored in the red, one face is colored in the yellow, and one face is colored has colored the blue, right? So what happens now? First, 3 faces have been color in 3 different color, and then what we have done means all faces, like opposite faces are face, right? Suppose if this is a red, then opposite of that red will be also red. Similarly, opposite of yellow will be yellow, and this blue is the upper side. That means below lower side will be also the blue, right? So this is how this will be the color. So 6 faces are colored in the 3 opposite are in the same. And now what happens? I have divided this cube in the X part. Like that cube has something length of 8, 10, 12, 14, 15, something. Jo bhi cube hai, there will be something length, right? As it is a cube means length, breadth and height all will be the same. L, B, H all will be equal. And now that is divided into the X part. Now अब मैंने क्या किया, इन सबको X parts में divide किया है. Means if it was suppose 10, then I have divided in a 5 parts, 3 parts, something whatever it is, right? Okay. So if it is divided in the X parts, then what is the different type of questions are there? One by one we will understand the trick also, how to solve, and we will solve the question also. So let's jump on this. Have you understood the question? If there is one cube, there are 3 colors, and now I have divided this cube. Okay, now first one. Then they will ask you how many total number of cubes are there. Now for this, we do not require the color, but how many cubes will be there? They can ask you such question. So for this one, always remember total number of cubes is equal to x cube. Now you will ask, ma'am, what is this x? How to find out this x? We know that x is a x parts, means the number part in which we have divided it. So let's read the question here. On this best of question, we will understand how to find out the x. So they are saying that a solid cube of each side is 8 centimeter. Each side 8 means L is 8, B is 8, H is 8, right? So this is your cube. This is your, in which I know that this is a 8, this is a 8, this is a 8. So what are they saying? 8 has been painted in a red, blue and black color. Now there are 3 colors on the pair of opposite faces. It is then cut into cubical blocks of each side is a 2. If this total was a 8, now I have cut into the side of 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Means how many total cubes will be there. Now each side is a 2 centimeter. Total side was the 8 centimeter. So how many parts will be there? X part will be total 8 was there and I have divided in a part of 2, 2, 2, 2. So this 8 को अगर मैं 2, 2, 2 के पार्ट में कर दूं तो कितने 2 बन जाएंगे? X will be equals to 4, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4. That means it will be divided in a 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. So it has been divided in a 4 parts. So simply for this question, X is equals to 4. This is what you have to remember. How did we get this 4? 8 by 2. Now they are asked you how many total cubes will be formed. So how many total cubes will be there? Total cubes is always equal to the x ka cube. That means x cube, here x value is a 4. So 4 cube will be equal to 60. So number of cubes will be formed as a 64. Like you can see here, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. Similarly, these 4 parts, these 4 parts. Right? This will be the 4 parts. Okay, 4 parts. Getting it? This type of parts will be there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, x is a 4 and total cubes form will be 64. So understood? This will be always x cube. You have to remember only this thing. Total number of cubes is equal to x cube. You can find out x simply and x is a 4 means 4 cube will be 60. This is your total number of cubes. This was your first trick. Now the second question which we can expect is a number of cubes formed which have 3 faces painted. Now we know that there are the cubes, there are total 64 cubes, out of which few have 3 faces painted, few cubes has a 2 faces painted, few cubes are there which has only 1 face painted, and few cubes can be there which has no any face painted out of those 64, because we have painted only on the face, only on the front and back, top and bottom, not inside of it. So if they ask you cube have been 3 faces painted, then always remember, as we know that in this cube you can see 3 face painted, 1, 2, 3, all these 3 face painted. Similarly, this corner will also have that back side, that will also has the 3 face painted. Similarly, this one back side will be the yellow one, this side, and similar in the below there are the 4 side. That means there are only 8 corners. So always remember, only 8 face will have the 3 faces painted. So here in this question, it doesn't matter what is the value of x, because we know that each cube has only 8 corners, is it? So only 8 corners, that means it will have only 8 corners. Those 8 cubes will be there which has all 3 faces painted. Those will be these 8. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and this backward is a 8. So if the solid cube of each side is 8 centimeter, has painted red, blue, black on pairs of opposite faces, it is then cut into the cubical blocks of each side 2 centimeter. How many cubes have 3 faces painted? So answer will be always equals to 8. Here it doesn't matter what is the value of x. Okay, I hope you are getting it. Now we will go on the next question number 3, which is again important, in which we will see cubes which has only 2 faces painted. Now when they asked you for the 2 faces painted, in the question what will we see? A solid cube of each side 8 centimeter has been painted red, blue and black on pairs of opposite. It is then cut into the cubical blocks of each side 2 centimeter. So can I say that x will be equals to 8 by 2, that means 4. There will be the 4 parts. So how many cubes having 2 faces painted? If you observe here, this one is a dekho. This one will have only 2 faces painted, isn't it? This one will have only 2 faces painted. Similarly, this one, iska jo back side mein aayega. This one. Similarly, the below. So how many cubes will be there? That which has the 2 faces painted. Now it will be depend on the formula. So what is the formula for this? Let's. As you can see here, x minus 2 into 12. How did we get this 12? There are the 12 edges to the cube, right? 12 sides to the cube. This front one are 4, upper one, lower one, backward. So there are total 12 edges, so x minus 2 into 12. Where x is a 4, so 2 faces painted will be equals to what? X minus 2 into 12. X minus 2 means 4 minus 2 into 12. So 4 minus 2 is a 2 into 12. So there will be total 24 cubes which has 2 face painted. Getting it? There will be total 24 cubes जहाँ पे 2 face painted होंगे. That will be the answer. They can ask you this question also. Because in the previous year paper, they had asked no face painted. So now they can ask you 3 face painted, 2 face painted, 1 face painted. These are the most expected question. Now the next one is what? Cubes have only one face painted. For this one face painted, we have a formula of x minus 2 bracket square into 6. Now a solid cube is a 8 centimeter and we know that it has divided in a 2 centimeter. So x was a 8 by 2 means 4. So value of x is a 4. So what will be the number of cubes which has only one face painted? X minus 2. That means 4 minus 2 ka square into 6. So 4 minus 2 is what? 2 square into 6. That means 4 into 6. So there will be 24 faces which has only one face painted. Again, most important. Okay, I hope you are getting this. You just have to remember these formulas. Okay, and now we will go on the last one in which cubes which has only one face painted. Only one face painted. So for this one face painted, now again, and this is the question which they are asked in a CUET paper number 12, March 2024 CUET paper. Okay, so what are they saying here? Solid cube of each centimeter is 8 centimeter and divided in each block of 2 centimeter. So we can say x will be equals to 8 minus 2. That means 4. So how many face will be there which has no face painted, which will be completely blank? That will be x minus 2 cube. That means 4 minus 2 ka cube, which is equals to 2 cube. So your answer will be 8. So this question which they had asked in a CUET paper, answer was 8. 8 faces will be there which has no color. So we have seen 3 face painted. How many cubes form? Then 3 face painted, 2 face painted, 1 face painted and no face painted. All these 5 are most important questions. So I hope you have understood this trick. If you have any doubt, then you can ask in the comment box. And yes, you can get access to our live classes, our mock strategies, free resources, and number of things. But you just have to comment TISS in the comment box, and you will get the link to join. Okay, so that's all. Thank you so much for watching, and all the best for all your future, for all your study. And if you have any doubt regarding anything, please ask in the comment box. Thanks a lot. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. Stay safe. Stay tuned.